Well, hello everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and I'm really glad that you dropped by today because I am making a very popular British snack. I'm making flapjacks today, guys, and these are so delicious. They're super easy. They only have 4 ingredients. However, one of those ingredients is golden syrup, and this is actually kind of hard to find in the US. I actually ordered this Lyle's golden syrup on Amazon. But if you can't find it, you can use honey or corn syrup as a substitute, but just know that it will change the taste and flavor of your flapjacks. And in case you were wondering, what is golden syrup? Well, it is a thick amber-colored sugar syrup that is made by the process of refining sugar cane or a sugar beet juice. It has the appearance and consistency of honey, but with a very unique butter flavor. And it is not to be confused with dark corn syrup. Now I have all my ingredients here on my counter. I'm just going to go over those with you as I make them, but the full recipe will be in the description box below. But we've got to get started, guys, because it's that time to cook. So to a small sauce pot, I have a half of a cup or 1 stick of butter. To that, I'm going to add 1 cup of brown sugar and a half of a cup of the golden syrup. And then I'm going to give a pinch of salt. All right, then I'm just going to stir this and let this cook just until the butter melts. That butter is almost melted. All right, now as soon as it's melted, turn off the heat. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to do is pour this golden syrup sugary mixture over my oats. And this is 4 cups of quick cooking oats. All right, just stir it all together until all those oats are coated in that golden syrup mixture. All right, so once your oats are completely coated, then I'm going to pour it into a 8x8 baking dish that I have lined with parchment paper. That just makes it so much easier to lift those flapjacks out when they're finished. All right, then I'm taking the paper from my butter and I'm going to use it to press down firmly this oat mixture into my pan. All right, then bake in a 325-degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes. All right, so my flapjacks are all done. They've been cooling for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna lift them up out of this pan, place them onto a cutting board. Then I'm going to slice them into bars. Oh, guys, just look at these flapjacks. Oh, these are so yummy. They're like a chewy granola bar. And the golden syrup just gives such a delicious butter flavor to these flapjacks. So good. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless. And I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.